Hey founders and CEOs, it's Misha. In 2026, the companies pulling ahead aren't doing it with more meetings, more people, or more hustle. They're doing it by developing smarter systems powered by AI agents that operate 24/7, learning as they go, and remove the bottlenecks in every department. And in this video, I'll break down 3 critical AI agents that every CEO should install now, if you want to scale without scaling chaos. These aren't just some old AI tools, they are purpose-built agents that drive profit, reduce waste, and give you serious leverage. But first, what is an AI agent? An AI agent is not a chatbot. It's not ChatGPT in a fancy wrapper. It's a self-operating system that can observe data, make decisions, trigger actions, and learn from feedback. It acts autonomously across your entire stack, executing tasks, coordinating systems, and handling workflows you'd otherwise pay people to do manually. This is what gives you scale, not just speed. Let's dive right into it. Agent 1, the lead nurture agent. Your AI SDR that never forgets and never stops nurturing. Role. Most businesses don't lose sales because they have bad leads. They lose sales because no one follows up properly. The follow-up agent solves that. It ensures every prospect is nurtured, followed up on, and progress down the funnel without human drop-off. What it does, it engages warm leads via email, SMS, or DMs, sends contextual follow-ups automatically, handles objections using trained data, escalates only when interest is shown, and personalizes responses based on CRM and past interactions. But how does the flow actually start or look like? So it starts with the CRM, which triggers contacting, which then triggers AI messaging engine, which has then the smart follow-up flow, meeting booking, and escalation. Why does this matter? So you spend time and money acquiring leads. This agent makes sure that they're not wasted. Without this, you're leaking revenue every week. So if your current sales process is leaking follow-ups or your team is a little bit too busy to chase warm leads, this is where we would usually find a 10 to 30% uplift in pipeline within a couple of weeks. Book a call if you want to see what this would look like in your sales system. Agent number 2, the knowledge or operations agent. This is essentially your AI trainer and SOP enforcer. The role here is the agent keeps your team aligned, trained, and supported by making your internal knowledge base actionable. It answers questions, fetches SOPs, enforces processes, and trains new hires in real time. What does this agent do? So it answers team questions instantly, like how do we issue a refund? It surfaces step-by-step SOPs for any process. It can onboard new hires with live guidance. It flags when processes are not being followed and learns over time and improves documentation. But what does the flow look like? So first and foremost is an employee input where they can search the internal knowledge base like SOPs or playbooks. Then the output is clear answers and actionable steps. And on the back of that, there's a feedback loop that updates with responses. But why does this matter to you as a CEO? Well, this agent removes your team's dependency on managers for questions, training, and process clarity. You create it once and it trains everyone forever. We've seen teams save dozens of hours a month just by turning their documentation into something useful through a custom GPT. So if you're scaling and people keep asking the same questions, this is the fix. Agent number 3, the finance and cash flow agent. Your AI controller, which manages forecasts, flags, and protects that precious bottom line. The role here is that this agent sits inside your finance stack and monitors burn, runway, expenses, and billing events. Keeps you financially sharp without relying on monthly reports. But what does it do? First and foremost, it tracks burn rate and cash runway in real time, flags unusual expenses or late invoices, forecasts cash flow based on upcoming events, and alerts you to billing issues or overdue payments. For example, think suggesting adjustments or optimizations like cut XYZ SaaS, it's been unused in the last 30 days. But what does this flow or workflow look like? So it connects accounting, think Xero and other tools, to banking software. It monitors and analyzes, it gives you alerts and recommendations, and then you act and it learns from your actions. But why does this matter? Most founders only check finances monthly or once a month, and that's a lagging indicator. This agent gives you daily clarity on whether you're overspending, losing money, or heading towards risk before it becomes a problem. And orchestrating these agents are key. But how would you go about orchestrating these agents? These 3 agents work independently, but when used together, they become a business operating system. The lead nurture agent captures and converts more revenue. The knowledge operations agent keeps internal operations clean and scalable. The finance agent protects you, your cash flow, and extends your runway. And together, they give you control across sales, ops, and finance without more meetings, hires, or Slack messages. But the $1,000,000 question is, which one should you start with first? And that honestly depends on where your biggest bottleneck is. If you're losing leads, start with the lead nurture agent. If your team is stuck asking questions, deploy the knowledge operations agent. If you're in growth mode and need to protect your cash, build the finance agent. Now, if you want to build out these agents or just want clarity on where AI fits into your business, we're offering free ROI-based discovery calls where we map out exactly your AI stack based on revenue potential, team efficiency, and implementation time. I will personally show you exactly where to start, what to expect, and how to build leverage without adding more headcount. The link is below. We only take on a few clients per cycle, so if you want to move fast, book now. AI does not reward intention, it rewards implementation. So let's build something that scales.